Hi everybody, it's Ruben Lopez again from the Lopez Lending Group. Today I wanted to talk about the do's and don'ts of preparing to buy a home. First, there are a couple of things that you should do. You should get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved is obvious. It's going to help you identify all of the loan programs that are available to you. And more importantly, it may help you identify any obstacles to getting you a loan. Secondly, you want to create a budget. You want to identify the hidden costs associated with homeownership. This includes things like paying for a gardener, paying for maintenance on the home, and certainly paying for any utilities. And doing a budget is going to help you do that. The third thing you want to do is you want to have reserve funds available. In other words, you want to plan for unexpected expenses. Things like repairs to the home and even tax hikes fall into this category. Those are the main things that you should do. Now there's few things that you should not do when preparing to buy a home. First of all, don't assume that you should pay 20% down payment. There are many loan programs available that allow you to get into a home with a limited down payment, and many of those options are available without paying mortgage insurance. Also, don't make any large purchases when you're looking to buy a home. The large purchases will hit your credit report and in fact may disqualify you from getting a loan, so please be careful with that. Also, don't transfer any funds between your accounts. Sometimes that is absolutely necessary, but if you can avoid it, it helps a lot because those transfers all have to be paper trailed, and quite honestly that can be quite cumbersome. Don't plan any vacations during the home buying process, especially when you enter into escrow. You want to be 100% available to sign loan documents, to provide additional paperwork, and to negotiate items between you, your agent, and the seller. So please don't plan any vacations. And finally, don't schedule any workers or don't schedule any movers for the day after your plan to close escrow. There are a high percentage of escrows that extend beyond the close of escrow date that was identified at the beginning. So please keep that in mind. You definitely want to buffer your movers or your workers by about a week. And then, maybe 2 weeks before you close escrow, check in with me, your loan officer, and ask if we're still on track to close on time, and adjust your movers and your workers accordingly. So if you follow those rules, you're certain to have a helpful time and a much easier time, a smoother time, in fact, in closing your escrow. Remember to check back with my video library for answers to a lot of mortgage-related questions. Thank you.